Today's a great day, I'm happy. Today's a great day, I'm happy. Today's a great day, I'm happy. Maybe I have mentioned it before, but guess, when you do that, it's not possible that you are depressed, or you feel bad, or you are in a bad mood. So try this out. I do this every day in the morning, after meditation and after yoga, and I am really impressed every day when I'm feeling not good and I do that. It changes all. I do not say that it stays for hours then after it, but in that moment it is fantastic. Dear friends, today I want to talk about what can we do to cultivate good thoughts in us. And you know, there is one man who once told that this negative spiral, or these negative thoughts, are more heavy than positive thoughts, and that's why also that we keep bad incidents for very long in our mind. But to come out of this is it is really good to have a diary. And for example, you can create your own soul painting diary, and you can write your experience in it when you make soul painting, or other good thoughts. You can write it down, and then whenever you are not in a good mood, you can read this and replay this. So we can do a lot of things when we feel that we are in a not good mood. We can, for example, we can take a bath, we can take a salt bath, or when we were out for working, maybe you go in an office or somewhere to work, and when you come home, so you can change your clothes and get a little salt bath, and then feel how it is with you. So this is very wonderful. And there is also, you can observe your thoughts and just observe them. When there is a negative thought, you can say, okay, it's not me. Oh, this belongs to my past. And then you don't have the effect of feeling guilty then after you have had this negative thought, or Another way is also you can meditate. This is every time the best, yeah. Or you can spend good time on soul painting, just in the present, And when you are in the present, there will be no negative thought. So, dear friends, I wish you positive thoughts and I wish you a positive life. So, because having a positive life, you are balanced. And when you are balanced, also your decisions are balanced and whole your life is will be balanced. Thank you for watching this channel and to spend time with me. I'm very grateful for that. Bye bye.